Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist in YouTube channel on your YouTube channel. So first thing to do, you can open a YouTube, or if you're already installed on your PC, this is the YouTube without a browser. This is the YouTube app on PC. So in order to delete the playlist, it's very easy. See, there is your toolbar, and here this is your playlist. You can click it. So for the like video and watch later, there is no way you can delete this album or gallery or playlist. In order to delete this, for example, like video, you need to unlike one by one and delete the watch later one by one. And in order to delete or the only one playlist that you can delete is a playlist that a tailor made, that you made by yourself. Here, for example, there is a three dot at the bottom of your album or playlist. Here you can click on delete. Now playlist is deleted. The only left is like a video and watch later. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.